6 freelancing lessons that I've learned in 3 years as a freelancer. And if you are here because of that, then keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am Hazel Cruz and I vlog about freelancing, design, and YouTube tips and advices. If you are interested in any of that, you may want to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I upload my next amazing video. So, tama na tong patumpik-tumpik pa and tara na sa number 1. The number 1 freelancing lesson that I've learned along those 3 years is anyone can do freelancing. When I say anyone, like anyone. Sinasabi ko to, that is because may mga kilala akong bata na freelancer and I actually have a virtual assistant na pinsan ko and she is only 15 years old. Meron din naman akong kilalang nasa senior citizen age na siya. Pero yeah, still kicking and talagang nag-earn ng dollar sa freelancing. And if you are somewhat discouraged now because you think na masyado kang bata for freelancer or masyado kang matanda na, don't be, because freelancing is definitely for everybody. As long as you are committed, as long as you are motivated to keep pushing, keep winning on freelancing, you're good to go. Number 2, rejections are your golden nuggets to your next premium projects. How do I say so? And it's because hindi lang to sabi-sabi, I experience it myself. You know, a lot of aspiring freelancers nowadays, nahuhook sila because mas nakikita nila yung wins, mas nakikita nila yung, you know, the dollars, the money that they will getting kapag nag-freelancing ka. And it's not that. If you are starting out on freelancing, you need to really think that you will experience rejections. You will experience hardships. And hindi talaga madali ang freelancing, I am telling you. Because I myself, I started 3 months working for free in order for me to build up my portfolio. And along with that, hindi pa doon natatapos. After that, sumunod naman doon na I applied na of course sa iba't ibang tao, sa iba't ibang nationalities, and a lot of bad words, a lot of rude prospects and encounter ko, a lot of harsh words. And during that time talagang umiiyak ako when I failed the interview. Kapag you give all the efforts, all of the time for the trial projects and hindi ka naman makukuha in the end, talagang iiyak ka. And yes, kasama talaga yon kung gusto mong makuha yung next premium projects mo. Kaya ang payo ko lang naman to anyone who is currently experiencing yung mga rejections na yan, hardships na yan, just keep pushing forward. Yes, promise. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, hindi kayo magsisisi. And with that, let's proceed to number 3. And diba, if you are aspiring or starting freelancer nowadays, talagang makikita natin yung iba't ibang freelancing group, community, freelancing academy, kabilaan yan ngayon sa Facebook or sa Instagram. There is no problem kahit sumali ka sa lahat sa kanila, magbayad ka ng fee for any of those. No problem at all. But this is my ultimate advice for you. You need to follow a freelancing coach that really resonates your value and belief. Make sure talaga na ifa-follow mo yung coach, ifa-follow mo yung community na pinaniniwalaan mo. Kasi ang hirap naman na papasok ka dun sa community but you are contradicting to their values, their beliefs. Pagka na-follow mo yung maling coach na hindi mo naman pinaniniwalaan, believe me, this is a domino effect. Maapektuhan lahat ng aspect ng freelancing journey mo. So be wise. Be wise on choosing who you will follow. Number 4, serve to anyone, then you will end up to no one. Gasgas na ba? Yes, I know. Diba ito naman yung kalimitang sinasabi ng nakakarami, pero totoo to eh. Kaya naimbento yung word na niche. Diba? Kung hindi nyo alam yung niche, ang niche ay specific na market mo, specific na skill mo para sa freelancing journey mo. Ito rin yung naging mali ko nung una. If you are starting out talaga as a freelancer, like me, mas pinili na maging freelancer compared dun sa corporate job na meron naman tayo na maayos naman. Pero mas pinili natin yung freelancer. Pero then, wala tayong masyadong savings. Gusto natin na kahit ano na yan, basta kumita ng pera, basta mabayaran tayo ng kahit sinong client, go na tayo. Yan ang naging simula ko. And I come to realize now na mali pala. Kasi nga, if you are serving to everybody, wala kang specific niche, wala kang specific na tina-target, wala ka talaga makukuha. Kaya pala sabi ko noon, bakit wala kang nag-i-inquire? Wala akong masyadong client. Yun pala yun. Kasi you are serving everybody. Hindi ka nakikilala na expert doon sa kung ano yung ino-offer mo. Unlike now, na nung nag-niche down na ako as a YouTube strategist, as a web designer, I don't have to really market myself kasi sila na mismo yung pumupunta sa akin to know my service, to know more about my service, to know how much is the service, and stuffs like that. Kaya, I highly recommend that if you are just starting out, i-build mo na kung ano yung specific skill mo, and number 2, humanap ka na ng profitable market na pagfo-focusan mo. And if you don't have a market yet, can you let me know in the comment section below kung wala pa kayong market or ano yung market nyo sa ngayon na naiisip. And pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. Number 5. Knowledge is the second, yes, but support is the MVP. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung knowledge kasi yung knowledge naman, di ba, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat yan nasa mga academy, lahat yan nasa group. Pinro-provide nila yan. Yung modules, yung lessons, kung ano yung freelancing, paano ka makakatawid dito sa point A sa point B. Lahat sila may iba't ibang way na ituturo about freelancing. But, ito yung pinakamahalaga the support that you're getting on the community. And hindi lahat nag-o-offer niyan. Ako yung tao na I need talaga yung support, yung mentorship, yung coaching na makakatulong sa akin to help me boost my confidence, to help me really push forward. And I cannot recommend enough. Promise. Because ito lang yung community na nakitaan ko ng, if you will going to rate 0 to 5, 6 to etong freelancing community na to. And that is the Freelance Movement Tribe. And I cannot really recommend them enough. Kasi talagang hands up ako sa support na ibinibigay ng the Freelance Movement Tribe. And if hindi nyo alam yung the Freelance Movement Tribe, it is founded by John Pagulayan or popularly known as JTL or John the Legend. Yan. Sobra yung na-build nilang way, na-build nilang support group para i-cater yung mga katulad nating freelancers, katulad nyong starting freelancer kung nag-i-start pa lang kayo. Sobra talaga yung support dahil if you will going to join the tribe, meron kang coach, meron kang tribe leader, meron ka pang John Pagulayan, and meron ka pang, actually, dito ka lang nakita, yung sobrang babait ng mga tao. Kasi, whenever na mag-ask ako ng question, whenever I ask for something, mag-ask ka lang sa group, sa pinaka-Facebook group, or i-message mo sa kanila. Walang snobbish, promise. And yeah, that really helped my career now. Kaya naman, I can say na nagfo-flourish yung freelancing business ko dahil din sa mga people behind that community na nakatulong sa akin to push forward. Kaya, you better think kung ano yung sasalihan yung freelancing group. Kasi hindi lahat nag-o-offer nung ganyang ka-extensive na mentoring and support group. Promise. And last but not the least, the 6 freelancing lessons that I've learned during my 3 years as a freelancer. Consistency and commitment is the key. And really, gasgas na gasgas siya. Like kahit saan mo makikita, 'di ba? And like na sasabihin nila sa'yo, maging consistent ka, mag-commit ka lang, and magsasucceed ka. Yes, that is true. Talaga namang kapag ka consistent ka sa isang bagay and you really committed yourself, for an instance sa freelancing, kapag ginawa mo lahat on freelancing, talagang magsasucceed ka. And baka naman sinasabi nyo na ang hirap maging consistent, ang hirap maging committed. Di, huwag ka nalang mag-freelancing. Kasi freelancing is all about that. Freelancing is all about motivation, your commitment, your consistency on doing the things that will really help you on being successful on this venture. Kahit paunti-unti, kunwari talagang nahihirapan ka, the small steps, nagpa-pile up yan para maging big outcome. And kapag ka big na yung outcome, magkakaroon ka na ng big results. You can do like, katulad nung ginawa ko is, nag-practice ako na matulog ng maaga. And hindi lang yun basta dahil gusto kong matulog ng maaga. Gusto kong matulog ng maaga kasi para din maging productive ako, para din mas madami akong magawang clients works, yeah. And ginawa ko yun paunti-unti, in-adjust ko yung oras ko, naging consistent ako dun sa oras ng pagkain ko, sa oras ng pagtulog ko. Dapat 10 p.m. pa lang, hindi ka na humahawak ng cellphone, 10 p.m. pa lang, nakahiga ka na. Yung mga small steps mo, eventually talagang magpa-pile up para makuha mo yung big results mo. Ganon sa freelancing. Small steps na ginagawa mo, nagpa-pile up, at hindi mo na lang malalaman dahil consistent ka, dahil committed ka, maaabot mo na pala yung premium project mo. Maaabot mo na pala yung breakthrough mo, 'di ba? And to give you some inspiration, nung una talaga, sunod-sunod yung rejections na nangyari sa akin when I'm starting out. Sunod-sunod yung mga harsh prospects na dumaan sa akin. And yeah, iniyakan ko. Pero sabi ko, kung titigil ba ako ngayon, anong mangyayari sa akin? Magiging freelancer ba ako pag tumigil ako? Of course not. Kaya ang ginawa ko, lalo akong nag-push. Siguro 10 to 20 applications araw-araw yung pinapasahan ko. And nagbunga naman sila. And ngayon, I am very happy to call myself na isang successful freelancer na. Successful hindi rich freelancer. But we are getting there. And that's it. The 6 freelancing lessons that I've learned in 3 years as a freelancer. And I hope that this video helped you in some way, na nagustuhan nyo tong video kasi nakarelate kayo sa akin. If you really like this video, if this video resonates with you, can you comment down your favorite freelancing lessons that I've shared to you? Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and I will see you again on my next video. Bye!